Hello, this is Maria, and today we're going to schedule a video meeting using Google Meet. So let's try to schedule the meeting. Okay, let's see. We're going to we see here we have the 3rd of June. Now we'll have to change the time. I will make it when our team will meet tonight. Okay. And our time. Session doesn't repeat. Join with Google Meet. Notification, email. I can set an email. Okay, what else is here? This is a very different kind of scheduling than in other tools. Okay. So I just added the title of our meeting. I think I will not use an email. It's better to grab the link and forward it. It'll be easier. So I won't add guests from here. Okay, probably don't need these either then. So make sure that my time is correct, and I will add the description again. I don't know why it disappeared. Okay. Let's leave it at this, and let's make it public. It'll be easier. And copy meeting link. Okay, let's copy the link. And this is how I'm going to use the link and share it with my teammates. So I'm going to save. And I'll show you next what the Google Meet looks from within. Thank you for the time being. I'll transfer to an instant meeting so that we can see the features of the virtual class. So here I am in the Google Meet original page where I can start a meeting or enter a meeting code, or I could schedule a meeting like I did for our team tonight. I'm going to start a meeting and I get this joining message. Ready to join. Okay. I can join or I can present. So before I do that, let's see, we have the camera. I can turn it on or off, and I can do the same thing for my mic. What else is here? The flashing bars show me that my mic is working, and here I have a menu which says report, problem, help, or report abuse. I don't really need these at the moment. I can turn on captions and I have further settings. Let's click here. My microphone, yes, and speakers. Test. I can test it. Okay, it's working. Okay. So let's try to use the presenter mode and see how it goes. You aren't presenting. Yeah, I need to I can choose something from Chrome, my whole screen, or just a window. So let's just try something. Let's see. It's a presentation, and I can start presenting. It's everyday phrase in Greek, it doesn't matter. The thing is, I can show my participants whatever it is that I want to present. Okay, and how I can end it, I can click here. And I click that, okay? But okay, we did it. So now more. Meeting details. The join URL, yes. No, I don't need that. Actually, I don't know how to change to the original screen where I had the option to join or present, but no, it's not this. I don't know, let's try the arrows. I've left the meeting. Okay. Interesting. Let's try again. This time I will click the Join Now meeting tab. So as soon as I am in, I get the link to forward to other people. I can add people. Okay. And what else is here? I don't need the camera. So I can turn on captions, present now again. Oh, so I could have joined the meeting and then start presenting. That's the right way to go. And here I have the participants, just me for the time being, and a chat box. Let's type something. Okay. So there's a chat box in the participants list. What else is here? More options. I can change the layout. Go to full screen. Let's see the layout. I have different options, like a sidebar, just like it happens in Zoom, or a tiled version. This is nice when you have other participants, or the spotlight when someone is talking. Okay, perhaps let's choose this one, but it doesn't show anything because it's just me at the moment. And this is it. It's a basic virtual classroom, but it has the video and the audio. It has the chat, the participants. You can share your presentations. So it's got nice basic features. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this useful. Thank you.